This is Looking Glass Falls. It's about 60 feet tall, and it is approximately about 7 minutes outside of Brevard, North Carolina. And the interesting thing about it is you can park right here by the road, and then there's a sidewalk, and it seems like every so often it might be accessible. There's a little spot right in here where you could get a wheelchair in, and then there's a platform right here where you can just look at the waterfall. You don't have to go hike a trail or anything, but you can go down these stairs right here and walk down, and there's a pool of water right down there where you can get in and swim around, play if you want to. I don't think that would be real safe, but if you wanted to do it, you could. There's people down there now, I think. And that's it. It's Looking Glass Falls. The waterfall is named after Looking Glass Rock, which is 5.5 miles northwest of Brevard and 25 miles southwest of Asheville. You can hear katydids, and it's daylight and about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. That's strange to me.